All right, I'll try to make this a long story short. I'm out here at my side gate trying to put this L bracket against the concrete here. Here, let me show you how this is going to work. So I got holes right there. This guy's going to sit just like this, and then the door will sit on top of there. Well, shut against that right there, and I'll put a hasp and lock on there, right? You would think that would be no big deal, but I ran into a problem with these drop-in anchors. Essentially, basically, they suck. Look inside here. That one broke off on the inside when I was trying to cinch it down, and this one won't go all the way in. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to probably tap this out or pull this out, try to get this one out, and I'll probably do some type of 3/8 inch lead insert on here, and then bolt this guy on there like that somehow, and be done. But I'm not going to Lowe's tonight to dick with hardware. I'll do it in the morning and get this all figured out. And I still need to cover these old ones. This, I use lead on here. See how nice they are? And it was just wood screws in there, but it's just not strong enough. So I want it a little bit stronger into the masonry brick here. But yeah, these inserts, I mean, they broke, literally broke. I was hammering down on it. The thing spread right here and cracked against the concrete. It's just a really bad design. So lead is the way to go. And that's what I'm gonna get. I'm gonna get the good lead ones in there, and then use a lag bolt, like a wood lag bolt type thing, and screw it in and be done with it. But what a pain in the ass. But nice looking gate though. So glad to have neighbors that help me with this. Turned out beautifully. Let's go on the other side here and I'll show you. Got the handles on here. As I drop all my hardware on the ground. See here? Very nice. Very nice. Oh, there we go. Got the hardware. All right, just thought I'd share this with you. If you're ever doing a gate, need to tap into masonry. Here we go. I even used grade 8. Didn't work out, but we'll get it fixed up. All right, thanks for watching. You hear the sirens in the background? Yeah.